Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Outlook and going straight to Calendar. Once there, pick the specific calendar to update, personal, shared, or group. Make sure you're signed in with the account that controls or has editing rights, because without editor or owner permissions, you can't save changes. If the calendar isn't visible, expand folders or add the mailbox. Now that the correct calendar is selected, switch to day or week, view to position events precisely before creating or editing entries. Next, you'll modify event details and options. Double-click an event to change the title, start/end times, attendees, and notes. Use the scheduling assistant to resolve conflicts. For repeating items, open recurrence and choose frequency, end date, and exceptions. This avoids accidental duplicates. Set reminders and categories so items surface appropriately, and attach files or links for context. If you're inviting others, update response options and track RSVP. Once edits are made, press Save or Send Update so change. Finally, save your edits and confirm syncing across devices. Once done, open Outlook on the web or mobile to verify the change appears there. This confirms server synchronization. If sharing is required, adjust calendar permissions or publish a shareable link. Export as an IX file for others. If updates don't show, make sure Outlook is online, check cached exchange mode, re-authenticate the account, and force a manual sync. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear the local cache or restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.